Hello there, it's Christian Youngren with Kaizen Automotive Consulting, bringing you more best automotive practices. Kaizen literally means change for the better, and continuous improvement is what our company is all about. Helping ourselves, helping others, and helping companies change for the better. Now, if this is your first time to our channel, and you want to improve your automotive selling skills, you want to learn how to use psychology to close more car deals, and receive unbiased reviews on dealership product and service companies, make sure you subscribe and then turn on that bell. That way you never miss out on learning anything new. Well, all right then, let's get to work. Have a guest that is maybe a flight. They're the nicey-nices I used to call them. They just are too nice. And they say they're going to want to think about it after you've already done a demonstration drive, but you haven't worked figures. And that always kind of concerns me, especially when I get somebody from a distance. But even if they're not from a distance, it's like you need product information, you need pricing information to make a good decision. So in the situation where a guy's 4 or 5 hours away, they get out of the demonstration drive, the couple looks at you and they say, hey, you know what, we appreciate all your time, Chris, we just want to go home and think about it. I love the one I learned, which is, hey, you know what, of course you need to think about it. I haven't given you enough information not to think about it. What I'd like to do is do a quick proposal with all the figures, and that when you do go home tonight, that you guys can go ahead and think about it and make a good informed decision. Is that fair enough? And most people say yes to that. Now, this is where you need to be a badass closer, because when they come inside, you're not letting them leave, right? You're going to work a deal with them, but now you're going to have a commitment. So make sure, Josh asked a real good question: what kind of information would I give my manager during these briefings when I'm checking in here and there? That would be a good piece of information. Don't kill the messenger, boss, but I got this guy, he's not committed, he's from 5 hours away, he drove the car, he loves it, but he's telling me he wants to go home and think about it. And so I went ahead and I used this close, and he wants to go ahead and work the deal,